Hello. So here I will be demonstrating my demonstration of a circuit converting to its algebra form and into its truth table. So here you can see I have I'm gonna call it a rough draft of what I wanted my circuit to be. I did create it on Logisim, so it may look a bit different from what's on here. To make things a bit easier for me to kind of keep a reminder in my head, I created a little key over here reminding me that the OR gate adds and the AND will multiply. I do realize that looking at it now, it's a bit more complicated than it needed to be, because I could have easily just simplified this down, but I guess then I could have definitely simplified this down rather than use its max term format. But I did get the answer I wanted, which I'm crossing my fingers is correct. So as you can see here, I have three inputs being X, Y, and Z, output being C. So X breaks off into two separate branches. So the first branch is an uncomplemented X going into my first OR gate. The second branch of X was complemented, and it was brought down to these two separate OR gates I have here at the bottom. And Y also broke off into two branches. An uncomplemented Y made its way up to my first OR gate, and the second, well, actually, it broke up into three branches, I apologize. The third went down to the last OR gate I have down here, and Y was also complemented, bringing it to its second OR gate up here. Z also broke off into three different branches, two of them being an uncomplemented Z. I believe did I say X? I meant Z, I apologize. And Z later turned complemented, making complemented, bringing it here to the middle OR gate. And these are all added here and then brought down to the AND gate, where they're ultimately multiplied in the AND gate. And I originally had in my haze of exhaustion when I was finishing this up early morning, I erased what I had here. I could see that this definitely does not match up with what I have on my paper, but hopefully my Logisim demonstration will make this a bit more clear on where my thought process was. It was also very early morning. Anyways, here's the truth table I created for this problem. As you can see, I turned the circuit into an unsimplified Boolean algebra problem, and I kept it unsimplified, which caused a lot more difficulty. But as you can see here, this is what I got. So after putting it on Logisim, everything seemed to match up with what I created on my table. So 0, 0, 1, you get 1, which is what I wanted from its output. 0, 1, 0, we get a 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. And I just wrote the max terms next to where I got 1 in my output to make it much more simpler for me to understand, which in hindsight does not make sense since I have it already in its midterm up here. But that is my first demonstration, and I will not be pulling this up on Logisim. So here is the circuit for my first demo. So I'm going to be using it, demonstrating the truth table I created, kind of proving the truth table itself. So my truth table, first I have 0, 0, 0, output 0, correct, 0, 0, 1, you get output 1, 0, 1, 0, you get output of 1, 0, 1, 1, you also get 1, 1, 0, 0, output 0, 1, 0, 1, output of 1, 1, 1, 0, output of 1, 1, 1, 1, You get an output of 0.